you only need a multi-cooker to finish your big meal in an easy, fast, and simple way. The multi-cooker gives you 18 cooking functions in a single appliance with this stylish modern design. It has the Lewis Smart Touch control panel, and it can preset time and temperature for you for various functions. With a large range of temperature adjustment from 40 to 240 degrees centigrade and pretty long preset time up to 9 hours 59 minutes. With only one press, it presets the exact time and temperature for different functions, brings you the fun of cooking. The Lewis square design and 8-liter ultra-large capacity inner pot makes use of each space for cooking more food at one time. There's special design and accessories to cook food in double decks. The thickening aluminum inner pot and the unique embedded SUS304 heating element are full and tight contacting with each other so that you reach its maximum temperature in only 5 minutes. Faster and more evenly heating up make it good to function in different cooking ways. Free accessories are enclosed. We make new accessories according to various cooking ways, making cooking process more convenient. It is easier to make professional and delicious meals in your kitchen. Large capacity square frying basket. You can easily lift up the basket with food and simply place it on the ledge on the edge of the pot to drain oil and water. This greatly improves operability for you. Lewis sous vide function, which can keep original flavor and more nutrients in food, and separate the raw juice and water during cooking. Sous vide can retain more vitamin ingredients in food than steaming or boiling. It also has non-stick inner pot. The coating is heat resistant up to 600 degrees centigrade, providing safety and reliability. You don't have to worry that food will stick to the pot. It is easier to clean and dishwasher safe. Inner pot and base can be separated easily. You can simply remove the pot from the base and place it in the oven for baking. One pot for multi-use is simple and easy to operate. Transparent glass cover provides close contact between the cover and the pot, makes it convenient to check on your food without disturbing the cooking process, making the dull cooking process into fun. Cover lid with vertical design is space-saving and clean. Unique circulating water lock system for maintaining food in original taste. Provides a healthy, safe, and environment-friendly cooking life. Special outlet design for easily pulling out soup and water after cooking. An outlet is formed to exhaust steam when cover the lid. It is on the back to provide a safer cooking process. Multi-cooker with 8-liter super large capacity and 18 cooking functions achieves one cooker for multi-use. With only one press, it presets the exact time and temperature for different functions, helps you to easily make professional and delicious meals in your kitchen, and brings you fun of cooking.